In your Apple iPhone, if you want to set a ringtone you like, you can do that. Sometimes that ringtone might be from any movie or any album like that. If you want to set that ringtone, you can do that too. In this video, we'll be telling you how to do that. Before, it was very difficult. You needed to go to a garage application and make so many changes, but now it's very easy. What you can do is open any browser. After that, search for the ringtone you want. For example, I'm searching for this ringtone, and when you're searching, you can see so many websites. From these, you can select whichever website you like. And, for example, I'm selecting this website. From this, here you can see so many ringtones of that music. You can select whichever music you want. For example, I'm selecting this music. I like this music. From here, you can play and check that music, and if you like that music, what you can do is, here you can see the download option. Click on download. Now they're asking you to download. Click on this download button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the downloads option. Click on downloads. When you're clicking on that, you can see that music. Click on that music. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach this page. Here, down, you can see the share button. Click on this share button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see use as a ringtone option. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, that ringtone will be added to your ringtone section. From here, you can change that ringtone. This is the ringtone I have downloaded, so this way, you can easily set a custom ringtone on your Apple iPhone easily. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.